This is my blog post, with the focus keyword as, what is respiration? At first, I will add a new post in my website and then copy and paste my focus keyword, and then copy and paste my whole article here. I will add my focus keyword, what is respiration, here. After adding that, my basic SEO are all green, because I have used the focus keyword in the first 10% of the article, and it has also automatically integrated in my meta description, URL and title. Now, I will add it as the alternative text to my pictures in the article. The score has become 80, and our target is 100. Our keyword density is 1.73%, which is fine, as it is over 0.5 and under 2. Our URL is 55 characters long, so it is within the range of 50 to 60 characters. Now, we have to link out to external resources, which basically means integrating the link of a good external website with follow in our article. I figured I could link the Krebs cycle with the one who discovered it. So, I search the Krebs cycle and find the discoverer is Hans Krebs, and then I link the Wikipedia link in the Krebs word. Now both the requirements of adding a new follow link and an external link have been fulfilled, and the score has become 86. Now we have to add internal links, which means the link of another page or pages from our own website. If you have more blog posts, you can add their link, which is what I'm going to do. If you copy it like this, the link will be automatically copied along with the title, which I'm going to paste here. Now, the last requirement in additional is to use Content AI, which requires it to be bought, but if you do it like this, it will be green checked. You just have to click here and it'll show 15, which indicates that you have used Content AI. If you check back after a while, it will be green. Now, we have to optimize the title readability, which is to add a positive or negative sentiment word, a power word, and a number. Our title already contains all these things, but not in the SEO title. To change the SEO title, we copy the title, go to Edit Snippet and select the percentage title percentage and paste our title there. Now, the title readability is all green and our score has reached 98, only 2 short of our target 100. To reach 100, I optimize it more, such as changing the alternative text of the other images to my focus keyword. Now, I will add a featured image and tick the option to not show the image in the post, only in the featured articles. I will then change the category and disable pingbacks and trackbacks. While adding the featured image, I change its alternative text to my focus keyword. Then, disable pingbacks and trackbacks. To make the score 100, I will add some more internal links. Now, our score has reached 100. Also, make sure to use short concise paragraphs and install the table of contents plugin if you have already not done so or have not reached 100. That's it for today. If this was of help to you, make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials like this.